Hi, welcome to Universitas Negeri Padang Biology Laboratory. Here in this video, I want to introduce you general safety rules that apply to each lab. The rules present in each lab are there to keep you and the environment safe. Before entering a lab, please review carefully the safety information posted in the lab door and also inside the lab. Use the information to check your status so you are ready to safely enter the lab. No food or drinks is allowed in any lab. This includes mineral water, candies, or chewing gum. Never enter a lab unless you have approval. Please wash your hands properly before and after working in the lab. The lab technician has the authority to not allow you to work in the lab if you don't comply with the rules. Always wear a lab coat whose ergonomic design is essential for efficient work and management. Long hair must be tied back, and for female students who wear hijab, make sure that your hijab is on the inside of the lab coat. Some labs require you to wear protective gloves at work, such as genetics and biotechnology labs. But there are also labs that do not require this. Just be aware. Always maintain a clean and tidy lab space before and after working in the lab. When working on the lab, don't put your stuffs in any place. Make sure your stuffs are placed under the workbench. When you will use an instrument in the laboratory, please read and follow the instruction manual of the instruments carefully. After using an instrument, make sure you record it in the instrument's usage logbook. When working with chemicals, pay attention to the Workplace Hazardous Materials Information Systems or WHIMS symbol on the packaging. Use personal protective equipment according to the symbol on it. For example, using protective eyewear for corrosive substances. The biology lab has a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and list of emergency contacts. When accidents happen to you or your lab partner, please remain calm and act quickly. For example, if your hand gets burned, cool the burn. Immediately immerse the burn in cool tap water or apply cold, wet compresses. Then apply ointments for burns.
If chemicals accidentally contact with your eyes, remain calm and go to the eye wash station. Turn the faucet and water will start to flow. Turn your face to the stream and keep your eyes open. Let the stream of water rinse your eyes for 15 minutes.
Hazardous waste disposal is important part to keep our environment safe. All waste generated in biology lab is considered hazardous, and the disposal in general landfill or down the drain is strictly prohibited. In general, the waste in the biology laboratory is divided into two categories, namely chemical waste and biohazardous material such as animal blood and tissues, bacteria culture, and recombinant. Liquid chemical waste is temporarily stored in containers that clearly label with a list of their contents. Chemically contaminated solid materials such as gloves, paper towels, plastic transfer pipettes can be disposed of in the small white benchtop container or in large white bin. This waste will be further processed in Universitas Negeri Padang Chemistry Laboratory. Biohazardous waste materials are sterilized using autoclave before disposal. This includes residue of bacteria cultures, microtubes, or pipette tips contaminated with biohazard. The waste is disposed in biohazard container lined with autoclavable clear plastic for further sterilization by autoclave. Biohazard sharps such as plates for animal dissection, microscope slides, capped syringe needles are placed in the small biohazard containers. Following these general rules will help everybody in biology lab safe. If emergency happens, your safety is the most important. In case of emergency where evacuation is necessary, do not panic. Remove your lab coat and gloves, grab any personal belongings within easy reach, exit the building following the evacuation route posted in the wall to the meeting point. Thank you for watching and have a safe experiment in your lab.